Welcome to Kids Education Channel.
Wow!
Let's look around. Let's look around. What is this? What is this? Can you help me please? Can you help me please? I finished my work. I finished my work. Can I have some water? Can I have some water? Can I sit next to you? That's mine. That hurt my feelings. That hurt my feelings. Let's be friends forever. Let's be friends forever. I am telling the teacher. I like your backpack. I like your backpack. How do you do that?
Oh my god.
Why is the sky blue?
Wow!
Why is the sky blue?
Wow!
That's mine. That's mine.
I'm here.
Did you do your homework?